We should hurry.
Yes, our grandkids will be here any minute.
Then let us make their favorite.
Same way we always did?
Always. Plenty of butter.
That's how they like it.
Not too small, let it stay soft,
They love the crispy corners.
just like you do.
Careful, nice and even. Every layer matters.
Just like memories. A few extra raisins?
Yes. Yes, they always pick them first.
Every single time.
Milk and eggs, simple.
Simple is best.
That's how food feels like home.
Slowly let it soak.
Yeah. Give it time.
Good things need patience. Smells like old Sundays.
Back when the house was full.
It still is. Almost ready.
They'll smell it from the door.
I hope so.